Yo, what's up, guys? Today's video is all about pivot charts. So in Excel, you've got something called a pivot chart. So what I've got here is a data set, and all you do is hit insert pivot chart, selects the entire range, you click OK. Now what happens is you've got a pivot table plus a chart. So what happens is you can put in the data and the chart will automatically pre-populate for you. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to put the months in the axis, and I'm going to put the dates in the values, and then I'm going to put the year in the legend. So now we've got 2019 and 2020 dates. Yeah, I think that should be perfect. There you go. You've got your chart that updates automatically, and you can actually filter out what you don't need. So 2020, sum of dates, and you can choose a month. That's it for this episode. Check you guys around.